You can see we got quite a crowd, and we've got some support. We've got some naysayers too, but that's okay. We've had some amazing people thank us and some just amazing visuals, and we're just so proud to be here. Just want to say that one positive person in a trans person's life can decrease the chances of suicide up to 40%, and that is a huge and very powerful statistic. So please go out there, support, speak your mind for those that can't.